In this cold winter weather, I got the idea to test my FPV drone, the GepRC Mark 5, and the camera GoPro 12. In this video we will find out if they can withstand such strong frost, a temperature of -24 degrees, and how the drone will fly in such strong wind. But still, I wrapped the drone with electrical tape to protect it from moisture penetration. I couldn't find another way for the DJI-03 system. I need to charge the battery, and while it's charging, I'll practice a bit in the simulator. When I disconnected the battery from the charger, I accidentally short-circuited the positive and negative. The metal instantly melted, and splashes landed on the floor and my fingers, causing burns, but that didn't stop me. I was stopped by the door. Almost. It got frozen and I couldn't open it. But still I managed to do it. Very strong wind. The drone is being blown away, but it is resisting well. I decided to take the drone even higher. The higher it ascended, the stronger the wind blew it away. I was afraid that at such a height, the connection would be lost and the drone would fall. Next, I decided to change the location and head to the lake in the neighboring town called Morden. There, I will conduct a test with GoPro and fly a bit more. Look at how cold it is. Real Canadian winter. We are on location. Let's test the GoPro. We'll place it on the car. Let's see how long it will work. And for now, let's fly a bit. The drone passed the test excellently. It's all good with it. It flies as usual. Let's see what's happening with the GoPro. It's still working. It's been 15 minutes already. I decided to attach it to the car and drive. And after some time, it finally shut down. Look at how it's frozen. Let's check how long it managed to hold on. 33 minutes. What do you think of this result? Write your comments below.